Welcome to our tutorial for the configuration of our Android receivers. Let's see how to plug in your device to your TV before starting the configuration. Plug your device in the HDMI port of your TV. If necessary, put your device in the HDMI extender cable and plug it in the HDMI port of your TV. Step 2. Connect the micro USB cable to your device and plug it in. Let's start the configuration of your device. Press the home and back buttons for 5 seconds to pair your remote control. Your remote control is paired. Select your language from the list. Select Skip if you don't want to configure your TV by using your phone. Otherwise, select Continue and perform the steps on screen. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter its password. Please wait for the device to connect to the Wi-Fi. Sign into your Google account to configure your TV. Enter your credentials. Wait a few minutes and accept the Google and Google Play terms of service. Press the keys to display the terms of the different categories displayed on screen. Select View More and got it. Then check the boxes of the features that you want to activate. Select Turn Off to deactivate the services that you don't want to use. If you decide to turn off the location feature, some applications might not work accurately. It is possible to enable this setting at any time from the device settings. Select Accept. Wait a moment for Google to configure your settings. You can choose if you want to configure the voice and Google Assistant services. Choose an option from the list. Choose an option from the list. Choose an option from the list. Skip the content displayed on the screen by pressing the right key. Start the setup of your Android remote control. Choose the option in the list based on your stereo equipments. Select the brand of your TV from the list. Set up the sound keys on your Android remote. Set up the power button. Follow the steps on your screen. The TV screen will turn off and turn on. Your remote is now set up. Skip the next step if you do not need to create a PIN to restrict the access to certain types of contents. Your device is configured and ready to be used. Thanks for watching. For more information about our products, please scan the QR code below.